Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can use a pure dating app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. The registering process is pretty simple. You just have to have a Apple, Facebook, or Google or Hawaii ID according to your need. We just need to go ahead, open up your app and choose your gender. Once you have chosen gender and your extra preferred details, you can tap on done and then simply go ahead, provide your particular ID. There it will ask, go ahead, provide the ID according to your need, according to your preference, whichever one you will prefer, either Facebook, Google ID. Once you provide it, you will be creating yourself a password, and you can choose to hide your information as well. Then once you have done that, you will be able to create yourself a password and a username, and that is it. You will be able to create yourself an account, and now you are inside the pure dating app. So now the first step is that there will be personal ads for others to see you and for you to see them. Your ad can be anything, but in your experience, captivating, fun, and a catchy text work better. You can add in the text or the pictures. You can add the jokes or anything about that makes other people to see who you are according to your text or the pictures. Okay, now you're gonna add details about what is the quality about of other people that attracts you. You're gonna add that. You're gonna add what is you're looking for, a friend or a relationship, and then you're gonna simply set up your page while picking up your sexuality, your age, your language, and your relationship status that it will be involved in your account's information. And that is how it works. So if you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.